Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a powerful tool in the Oracle SQL Loader. Whether you're a database administrator, a data analyst, or just someone curious about data loading processes, this video is for you. We'll explore what SQL Loader is, why it's essential, and how you can leverage it effectively in your projects. So, let's get started. SQL Loader is a utility provided by Oracle to load data into Oracle databases. It's incredibly useful when you have large volumes of data to import, especially from flat files. This tool supports different data formats, including CSV and fixed-width files, making it versatile for various use cases. Why should you use SQL Loader over other methods? Well, here are a few reasons. It can handle large datasets much faster than traditional SQL insert statements. You can load data from different formats and structures. SQL Loader provides options to manage errors, allowing you to log bad records and reject files, so you don't lose data during the loading process. Alternatives to SQL Loader include tools like Oracle Data Pump, SQL Developer, or even writing custom scripts. However, SQL Loader is often preferred for its speed and efficiency in bulk loading operations. SQL Loader is designed specifically for loading data. Unlike manual methods, it provides features like direct path loading, which bypasses the SQL processing layer for faster performance. The ability to load data into multiple tables in a single load operation. Detailed logging and error handling capabilities. Now, let's talk about the different types of files you might encounter when using SQL Loader. This is where your raw data resides, often in formats like CSV. This defines how to load the data and specifies the mapping between the data file and the database. This logs the loading process, providing details on what was loaded successfully and any errors that occurred. This stores records that failed to load due to errors. This contains records that did not meet the specified criteria in the control file. Let's walk through an example using a birds table. First, we'll create the table in Oracle. Let's walk through an example using a birds table. Log into Oracle database as user green gold. First, we'll create the table in Oracle. Table birds created. We will use SQL Loader utility to load data in this table birds. Exit SQL+. Let's create a directory dir_CSV. We will save our CSV file and control file. Also, log file will be generated in same directory. Moreover, if there are any bad log file or reject log file, these will be generated in same directory. Now that we have our table, let's prepare a data file named birds_data.csv that contains our bird data. These are contents of CSV file. These four rows will be loaded in table birds when we run SQL Loader utility. Next, we need to create our control file named birds_load.ctl. Let's create control file now. Load data indicates that we are loading data. InFile specifies that the data is inside file birds_data.csv. Fields terminated by, specifies that fields are separated by commas. Optionally enclosed by, double quotes handles fields enclosed in double quotes. Save file. We are going to run SQL Loader utility now. Now we can run SQL Loader using the command line. This command will load the data from birds_data.csv into our birds table. The log file will give us insights into the loading process, and any bad records will be stored in birds_bad.log. We can see output of SQL loader command. 4 rows have been loaded in table birds. Logs are generated in file birds_load.log. Log into SQL+. Let's verify data in our table. These statements are just to format SQL output in better look. Let's run SQL query to view data in birds table. We can see there are 4 rows in table birds. Let's match data of table birds with data of our CSV file. We can see, using SQL loader utility, correct data has been loaded from CSV file to database table. To wrap things up, SQL Loader is an invaluable tool for loading data into Oracle databases efficiently. We learned how to create a table, prepare data and control files, and execute the loading process. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content like this, and drop any questions or comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy data loading!